I will show you how to finish back side of your embroidery. In this case I have a brooch, so I will show you how to attach a pin and how to sew on leather. Let's start. Take our cardboard and we circle our embroidery. We will need to cut it a bit smaller, so I will just put the extra line on my cardboard and I will cut it out. Our cardboard is ready. Now we will need to glue it to our embroidery. Put the glue on the cardboard and to the embroidery. Then attach our cardboard to embroidery. Gently press it. Now take leather, eco leather or felt. Put our embroidery on it and circle it to the leather. Now take a pin and measure it on our leather. Place it a bit more up than in the middle, because our brooch is a bit heavy, and if you will place the pin in the middle, it can go down on your jacket or sweater. Mark your pin from both sides. Then fold it. Take a scissors and cut a bit. Then take our pin and enter into these holes. I will close it for now. Now we need to glue on this pin. Just take a glue and glue it in. Make sure that your pin is on its place and it's straight. Now take your embroidery and put the glue on it, and on our leather as well, and attach our embroidery to our leather. Now we need to measure where is our pin. It should be on its place. You just can check it this way. Press it and wait a couple of minutes. Now you need to cut out our embroidery. Our leather should be the same size as our embroidery. Now we need to finish our edge. To finish edge of embroidery I use size 10 of seed beads, but in this case when my felt is quite wide and the leather as well, I will use size 8. First of all, you will need to have around 1 meter of the thread. Make a knot. And we start. First of all, secure our thread in between 2 layers. I will pass through the same spot a couple of times. Then I will put inside the knot. Come out from the felt. Then take 2 seed beads. Pierce leather and felt. And enter to this seed bead from the bottom and pull. At this moment of time, first seed bead should be not attached to the felt. We will attach it as our last bead. Take another seed bead, skip enough place to enter with 1 seed bead, pierce leather and felt, and enter to the same bead from the bottom. Again 1 seed bead, pierce leather and felt, and enter to the same bead from the bottom. Again. We take 2 seed beads only in the beginning, then we continue with 1. And enter from the bottom. And pull. Again 1 seed bead, pierce leather and felt, and enter from the bottom and pull. Take 1 more, pierce leather and felt, and enter from the bottom and pull. This way we continue till we get to our seed bead, which is not attached to the leather. I will be back when I will be next to it. Now we are about to finish our edge. This is our first seed bead, and this is my last seed bead. I just enter from the top to my first seed bead. Then I pierce leather and felt, and I enter to the same bead, which was first one, from the bottom, and I pull. Then I enter to the seed bead which is next to it, and I will need to secure my thread. I will just weave my thread into embroidery. A couple of times I will pass through my embroidery here and there. And when I think my thread is secured, I will just cut it. Last time. And I will cut my thread. My back side of embroidery is ready, and my brooch as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below if you have any questions or suggestions to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye!